Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you hotel booking system project using PHP and MySQL database. And for localhost server, for local server I am using XAMPP. So I am going to talk about the project. I am going to explain everything and I will show you everything. So as you can see, I have a folder HBS in htdocs. So when you download the zip file, when you extract the zip file, just keep the folder in htdocs folder. So you'll go to C drive, XAMPP, and then go to htdocs and keep the folder HBS in htdocs. So when you open the XAMPP control panel, make sure to start Apache and MySQL. Then go to your PHP MyAdmin. Here you have to import the database file. So you will click on databases and then you are going to click on import, and then you have to choose file. Go to your C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, HBS, and then you will select the database.sql file and you will just click on open. I have already imported the database file, so I don't need to. So when you select the file, when you choose file, this will be UTF-8. Format SQL, this will be none, and you will just click on import. Once you click on import, you are going to see hotel booking system. So hotel booking system is the database name, okay? And if you expand the database, you are going to see table, admin, users, booking, guest, payments, rules. Now how to log in? You will just first open a tab and here you will type localhost /hbs /setup.php. So now you can see it says setup already completed, admin account already exists in the database. You can go ahead and log in. So before login, you have to visit the setup.php. Okay. Now click on go to login page. Username is admin CYX, password HO1234. So when I give wrong username or password, it says invalid username or password. So let me give the correct username and password, which is admin CYX, password HO1234. So now you can see we are in the admin dashboard or dashboard page. You can see grand view is the hotel name. So here you can see total guest, rooms, bookings, and if you click on account settings, you can change username and password. So you have to know your current password. So if I click on guest, I can see all the guest list. I can search guest. And I can add new guest. Save guest. It says guest added successfully. Now I can see the new guest record. Now let me check the record in database. So you can see the new record which I recently added. I can edit the record. Guest updated successfully. You can see the record has been updated. If I refresh, now for room management, I can see all the rooms. And I can add room type, standard, deluxe. I can select anything depending on the customer's requirement. Price per night, can give any number. Capacity 1 guest, capacity 1 guest. Status available. Here I can give description. Let's give new room added. Save room. Room added successfully. I can see the room 701 type standard 71 guest floor 2 available. Now for booking. So I'm going to add new booking. Guest, select guest. So I will select Samroy. Room. 701. Checking date, let's give today's date, let's give this 9. Number of guests 1. So as you can see, per night is 70. So Sam is staying 2 days, so 140. Okay. Status, can give confirmed. Can give this done. Save booking created. So we have the booking list and check-in, check-out, case, total, status, confirm, and I can search the booking. Now for let me see the record. Now for payment, record payment, booking, Sam Roy, amount 140, payment method cash or debit card, I can select anything. Payment status is paid. Payment date, let's give this one. This one is optional, can give done. Save payment. And if I click on dashboard, I can see now total guest 6, room 7, total bookings 5. Now I want to delete record, so I'll just click on delete. Okay. here you can see the recent bookings, recent payments. So if I click on logout, it says, are you sure you want to log out? Okay. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.